postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device. Making a difference when it matters the most, this is your one-stop source for weather and hazard information. You are listening to Weather Radio, brought to you by your National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi. At 10 a.m., skies were mostly sunny in Jackson. The temperature was 64 degrees at the International Airport. The dew point was 39, making the relative humidity 39%. Winds were northeast at 3 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.23 inches and falling. In Vicksburg, skies were sunny, with a temperature of 59 degrees. The dew point was 40, making the relative humidity 49%. Winds northeast at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.24 inches and falling. And in Hawkins Field in northwest Jackson, skies were sunny. The temperature was...
I haven't gotten this in a while.